Have you ever wondered, what if a civilization more advanced than Rome or Athens is sleeping right beneath your feet? Welcome to the hidden depths of history. In the Bogra district of Bangladesh lies an ancient city known as Pundra Nagar or Mahasthangarh. 2,500 years ago, when most of the world was still in darkness, this place was a bustling megacity. It wasn't just a settlement, it was the powerhouse of South Asia. Imagine a city with drainage systems so advanced that they rivaled modern engineering. The wealthy lived in multi-story houses with rooftop gardens and private wells. But the most shocking part? The security. The city walls were a death trap. Hidden watch holes allowed guards to spot enemies, and the gates were designed as a labyrinth. If an enemy entered, there was no way out. It was a psychological game of war, played centuries before CCTV cameras existed. But as you walk towards the Gokul Medh or Behula's nuptial chamber, the air changes. Legend says this iron chamber had no holes, yet a venomous snake entered to kill Lakhindar. Locals believe on moonless nights you can still hear the weeping of Behula in the wind. And the mystery doesn't end there. Modern content creators and researchers claim that drones often lose control over specific spots in Mahasthangarh. Compasses malfunction. Is it a magnetic anomaly? Or do the spirits of the buried city simply not want to be found? From a military masterpiece to a spiritual vortex, Mahasthangarh is not just a pile of bricks, it is a time machine. If you loved this journey into the unknown, please smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more secrets. Until next time, keep your eyes open.